Hello friends, Running Kimono here. Walgreens video for you where I did a $45 basket, and there's a lot of magic in today's haul, and we even have some cheap Scott paper towel and toilet paper. So a really great video for you today, and I am in store dealing with register rewards and all that magic. Curbside video will be tomorrow where you're buying stuff online. If you could do me a huge favor and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, really helps out the channel to get this video out there and so people can see it. If you could just take a quick second and like it, it would really mean a lot to me. So like the video and let's get right into these deals. At the very end of the video, we are going to talk about this, which is the 10 back when you spend 45, and you can do this one in store or online, and it's of a one-time use. So we will tackle that at the very end. First little thing we're going to talk about is in my preview video, I assumed that the Gillette Foamy would be part of it. It is not. I got a very nice manager to scan too. The qualifying products are supposed to ring up BOGO 50% off, and then you get back a $4 register reward. But I stand corrected. That's a mistake. So just be careful about that, guys. Another deal that I couldn't even touch are the fancier Old Spice body washes that are part of this week's buy 3 get back a $5 register reward. My store doesn't carry it because it's in larger markets only, so I could not do this deal, but this deal is still really solid with IBOTTA. If you can find 3 of them, I would definitely pursue it. We have a 10 off 2 plus a $3 digital. It makes the deal fantastic. The first freebie that we have is with the Oral-B brushes priced at $3. $3 register reward when you buy 2. This morning we got this guy, which is a 3 off a 2 digital coupon. Unfortunately, the toothpastes in my region are like $4, so no, we're going to go with the brushes. 2 of those brushes is $6. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $3. Get back a $3 register reward, making it free. If you are doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. And if you have that Garnier register reward from last week, use that and just pay down the tax and call this a super smart deal. Just to show you guys, here is the $3 register reward. So I made out like a bandit this morning, and all the digital coupons and register rewards printed for me as well. The next deal that I think is really great is with the Pantene shampoo or conditioner priced at $5. We haven't had a really great Pantene deal in a couple of weeks. We have this 3 off 2 digital coupon, so please make sure you have it loaded. Grabbing 2 of the shampoos or a mix of shampoo and conditioner at $5 each. That's $10. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $7. Get back a $2 register reward. It makes it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per shampoo. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. If you might have that Garnier register reward from last week, throw it in and pay a lot less than that Walgreens cash. And here is my cute little $2 register reward, and I'm so happy to get that Pantene. I love Pantene. Now, this fancier Gillette series shaving cream that says BOGO 50% off, it's a $4 register reward when you buy 2. So grabbing 2 of those fancy ones, it'll be $6.74. If you have a Walgreens cash that you wish to use or a register reward, go for it, and you're getting back a $4 register reward. It shakes it out to $2.73 for the 2 or $1.36 per shaving cream. This deal I love. It is the $5 Scott and the $5 Scott paper towel and toilet paper. I'm so excited I can't even talk. We have the $1.25 Walgreens coupon, also known as IVC. And we're going to load the 2 best friends that include the dollar digital manufacturer for the paper towel and the toilet paper. Grabbing 1 of each, it's $10. Subtracting the IVC or the Walgreens coupon, that's $2.50 off. And then $2 off. So you're going to pay $5.50 for the 2. If you have $5 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay 50 cents and like moonwalk out of the building because you've just won the couponing Olympics. For paper products this cheap, it's totally what it's about. I would use my Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, and to stock up on paper for this cost, yes. I would also check ShopMeum. Usually when we get these digitals for Scott, it tends to populate in your ShopMeum account. Maybe you can do the deal even twice. This is a monthly deal on the Nivea men's body wash. Buy two, get $5 back in Walgreens cash. Grabbing two of these for 10, $5 back. If you want to just use $10 in Walgreens cash, or if you have a bunch of register rewards and you're like, hey, I really want some of this in my stockpile, make it happen. Because the word buy is in there, yes, you can roll your Walgreens cash, spend it to earn it. So we absolutely love that so much. And if you don't like my $45 basket, this is an alternative item to throw in. And we also have the either the liquid or the pods. I am very, very particular with the pods. Regular price for this $8.49. We have this little magical thing, which is $1.50 off. If you're really sensitive to smell, this is a fantastic detergent as well. So one of those is $5.49. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're paying $3.99 for a bag. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. I think you could use about $4 and that should work for you. But this is just a really terrific, I think it's very similar to Tide Free and Gentle. I'm a big fan of this one. Head and Shoulders for $6, $3 register reward when you buy two. Some of you have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon. Grabbing two of those, subtracting your 5 off 2 digital, you're going to pay $7. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $4 for the two or $2 per Head and Shoulders. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. I never got that 5 off of 2 digital, probably because I buy way too much Head and Shoulders over at Walgreens. But if you have it, I would definitely do this deal. It's a fantastic shampoo, probably right next to Pantene, one of my favorites. Let's not forget, we have a buy one, get two for free on the Walgreens brand trash bags. Those smaller ones we have a lot of cats here for the litter box, and they are fantastic and so much cheaper than like Glad or the other brands that are so expensive. So if you need to buy some trash bags, you better head to Walgreens. Okay, so now we're going to look at a little basket of spend 45, get back 10. As stated before, this is of a one-time use, and you can use this online or in store, and we're doing this in store today. And just to show you my basket, I got 4 of the P&G laundry care products that are on a promotion of buy 4, get back a $5 register reward. Those toothbrushes, familiar deal, and then 2 of the Shea Moisture deodorants, which every influencer on social media has a campaign with them, excluding me. Thank you so much, Walgreens, for not including me. But yeah, they're really selling quite well from that campaign that's been going on social media, because it was really hard to even find 2 at my store. These guys are $10.99. And you buy 2 of them, you get back $5 in Walgreens cash, and we have a 10 off of 2. So it makes it a really fantastic deal. So it's like $15 off if you wanted to try it. Absolutely. And then various laundry care products, we're getting a mix and match, $5.49, $5 register reward when you buy 4. And then these digital coupons all started populating this morning, and it's attaching with the mix and match of laundry care products that I got. So 1 of each. And $4 off is not too shabby. Now for those last 2 brushes that I picked up, I have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon also loaded. Okay, so looking at this, 4 of the laundry care products for $21.96, 2 of those toothbrushes for $6 on the nose, and then 2 of the Shea Moisture deodorants for $21.98 for a total of $49.94. Make sure you have your booster loaded, which is a 10 back when you spend 45. We have $17 in digitals melting off. 10 for Shea Moisture, 3 for Oral-B, and 4 for the Laundry Care by P&G. So after the cashier presses the final total button, it should get down to $32.94. Pay with your debit card, credit card, or bills, and then you're getting back $15 in Walgreens cash, 10 for the booster, and 5 for the Shea. And then we're also getting back a $5 register reward from P&G and a $3 register reward from Oral-B. That kind of rhymes. So it makes it $9.94 for the 8 or $1.24 per product. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, or it's going to mess up your spend booster. But if you do have register rewards, perhaps from last week, Yes, you can throw those into the mix to get your out-of-pocket a lot less, and it must be the manufacturer register rewards, and you can see that written at the top of them. And just to show you, this is what they look like. That's it for this video, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.